Yo, 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 yo. What is up, guys? It's your boy Sammy. We back again with another video. This is day 11. Day 11 of me trying to become profitable day trader. Market already open. As you guys can see, it's already 9:37 down here. We already marked out our key levels. 2-hour bullish fair value gaps that we marked out here. We have a London session low, London session high right here, Asian session low over here, and London session high right here on the Nasdaq. So we're gonna be trading now on Top Step. We ended up getting a funded account. As you guys can see, we have $15,000 to play with. We're gonna be trading right here on Top Step X. As you guys can see over here on top, we have the 150K practice, 50K the actual combine. We have to pass. We have to get as you guys can see here, $3,000 in profit for us to pass the account, and then we can actually start trading to get profits, to pocket profits. But we're gonna be trading the mini Nasdaq, the micro Nasdaq, my bad, which we can be losing $2 per point, so that we don't have to go below our balance, because here as you guys can see, it says that if we get below, it says do not let your account balance hit or go below $48,000, because if it does, then your account fails and you would have to restart all over again, and I'm not trying to pay again, so yeah, we're gonna be trading here for right now, but obviously we're gonna be doing our chart work over here as usual. But right now, market's really bullish in this scenario right now. We don't really know. So most recent high would be right here, and most recent low would be, I'm not sure, it would be right above this fair value gap right here. I'm just gonna go bit right here. Yeah, right here. Okay, so like I said, it is looking very bullish right now, but I can't really read the market right now based off this information. So we're just gonna be chilling right now. Be patient with the market. We're obviously trying to make money, so we're just gonna be monitoring as usual, and hopefully we can find a trade today. We haven't touched a key level in this case on the Nasdaq. We haven't even touched the key level, boys, on the Nasdaq. We haven't even touched this fair value gap after market opening. I mean, we did touch key, like I said, London session high would be all the way up here. Price would have to come all the way down here, and then we have the Asian session high over here, followed by the Asian session low. Yeah, it's looking, I don't know. We haven't even touched key levels, bro. That's crazy. Yeah, we would have to come back into this fair value gap to touch key level. Market open, pre-market, it went into this bullish fair value gap, which hasn't been disrespected. So basically, I like saying that we're bullish right now. Or I can ask my best friend AI too as well. AI, do you want to help me, AI? Does AI want to help me today? Bro, what? My best friend AI. I like using AI. It's what, 9:44? We just need to make a new low, bro. If we make a low, we can get a little bit more information, But what's really getting to me right now is that we didn't open, or we haven't touched key levels, which is the most important part right now. It says on my strategy breakdown here, it says wait for price to hit key level first. Has it touched any key levels? Not that I know of. Let me go on the 4-hour. Maybe there's something there that I didn't see, but I doubt it. Yeah, we don't see anything here. See a bullish fair value gap, but it's all the way down here. We don't want to do that. We don't do none of that. None of that. On the 5-minute now. Bro, I'm getting confused with all these things over here. But it's because I like using them as take profit levels, so you never know. And these two over here are from, yeah, we could leave that there too. Alright, so we made a new low over here. No. We made a new high, my bad. We made a new high. New high right here. Okay, and the most recent low would be down right above the fair value gap. We'll just go like that, right above the fair value gap. But that's our most recent high right now. So we are in an uptrend right now. Broke structure right here. This was the most recent high. Broke structure right here. We don't see no fair value gaps. We don't see nothing. We actually don't see anything. Like, you know how crazy that is? I don't see anything, bro. Bro, come on, bro. I'm ready to trade my real money. So I have a profit position risk profit brackets. So we have a risk of $600 and a profit of that was if I was trading the $20 the micro. I mean, yeah, the mini Nasdaq. Right now I'm trading the micro. So price here is 22.095 over here 22.97. Same thing. I need to start seeing something, or I need to see price come all the way down here, touch this key level right here at least, so we can either it gets disrespected and we go all the way down here, target all these levels down here, or comes back up, retests, and boom, we see a breakout. Maybe we could equilibrium chart right here, most recent low with the most recent high. Maybe if it does break out of this equilibrium box, maybe we can find a trade to the upside. Or if we can get discounted price over here, because I know that equilibrium charts work like, so if price ends up coming back into this right below the middle of the equilibrium chart, so that means that it's trying to give us a discounted price, you know. So if we see it come back down into here and we see a little breakout above again, boom, it means price is going. How do I do that? Oh, how do I draw? Brush. Alright, so basically what it wants to do is it wants to go like this. Right. That was us. So basically what I was trying to say is that it's trying to go like this. So market goes up, we're trying to find a discounted price right here, and then if it comes back up, it means boom, we go up here, right? That's basically, oh shit. Basically, that's what I'm trying. That's what I'm feeling right now. So it looks like if it does close down here, might give us discount price, as long as it comes back in here. Then this confluence is really getting hit. But the only thing is, I'm not seeing no inverse fair value gap, or I'm not seeing no break of structure to the, I mean, we did see a break of structure to the upside actually right here on this candlestick over here, right here. We did see break of structure right here on this 5 minute right here. But most recent low with the most recent high. So if this closes, how many seconds? In 15 seconds, if this low, I mean if this candlestick closes below this equilibrium chart right here, below this half, and I do see a low candlestick trying to close above, we're going long. At least to the, let's see what AI said. At least to these levels up here. But let's see what AI said. Alright, so it closed. So right now we're just gonna be monitoring. Maybe we can look for price entry. We do see a inverse fair value gap actually right here on the 5 minute. Right here, little one as fuck, but hey, whatever works. Super little. Okay, cool. All right, so I see something too. So maybe we can go based off this right here as well. So this is a fair value gap. If we can see this get disrespected to the upside, boom, we're for sure going long, because we already see this equilibrium chart. We already see this break of structure. We just need these confluences to get respected, and we can enter a trade, or at least scale down to the 1 minute for confirmation, and then boom, we're in, boys. It's already 9:50, so we should be looking for a trade right now. Or if we are gonna be doing a trade, right now would be the best possible time, you know. But I'm just waiting to see. Like I said, price hasn't even touched any key level. So maybe if we can touch this bullish fair value gap and get a low breakout like this, touch all the way, come all the way down here, get a low breakout, boom, we can even get a better entry. All right, so right now it's just giving me like price is giving us a little discount price, you know, right now, as long as it doesn't break this equilibrium chart or this low, the most recent low. So if we can see a low breakout right here, boom, we'll go long for sure. So damn, this could be a good entry right now if we can see price break this fair value gap to the upside and come up here, boom, we'll target these levels over here, or at least we can get price to come to, like it said right now on AI, it said price can clean equal highs, which is 22,149, 22,149, which will be like right here. 22,122 will be right here, but we want to target above this. All right, let's see what AI said again. We had asked it again. You know, I like asking AI for a lot of info. Well, it says right here that looking at your updated chart, your technical breakdown, there's a bullish bias as long as price holds above 2,200, 22,000 or 22,006. So as long as it's holding above this bullish fair value gap, as long as this bullish fair value gap on the 1 hour doesn't get disrespected where it shouldn't. But we would like to see this bullish fair value gap get touched, as it is a key level, you know. Key levels having got hit. So it finally touched key level. You guys can't see here, but right above, oh no, never mind, it's right here. It's all the way down here. But I mean, this is a 1 hour fair value gap. I mean, this is a key level on the 1 hour, so it is coming back. It did come back and touch the key level, which is a good sign. As you guys can see here, it came and touched it. Cool. Let's see if we can. All right, looks like it might. Looks like price might. If we can see price pull back up here, that would be insane. That would be cool. That would be good. I can't find price entry right now, bro. I'm being honest. Like, how was I supposed to price entry? This is the most recent low. We might actually close below it. So we're in a downtrend. As this low got, we're in a downtrend now. This low got hit. So now we have most recent highs over here. Price came and touched key level. As you guys can see, it came and touched the key level right here on the London session high. So now it's in the, right now it's currently in the, all right, in the bullish fair value gap. We're still bullish, I feel. I don't know why, but because we have bullish fair value gaps right here. The bullish fair value gap right here, bullish fair value gap right here. All right, guys, so we made a new low. We made a new low right here. Boom, looks like if we can get this fair value gap to get disrespected to the upside, that'll be, if we can get this. So we made a new low, and this is the most recent high. If price comes, price is low-key on a downtrend right here, as you guys can see, boom. But we are respecting this bullish fair value gap, so I'm not I'm not taking that out of context right now. Looks like this bullish fair value gap might get disrespected, so that could be a sign that we can be possibly targeting these levels over here. But we'd have to wait for candle closure to fully get disrespected, for this bullish fair value gap to fully get disrespected. If we see this 5-minute breakout structure to the downside right here, that could be bearish for sure, followed by order block, breaker block, maybe even equilibrium, as it did break. It would be breaking right below that. Yeah, we are looking very bearish right now. Very bearish. We might make a new high, like I said right here. We have 1:32. It's 10:08. We're still being patient. So we're gonna get a breakout structure to the downside right here, following this disrespect. So disrespecting this, and then what else? We'll just enter short. We're gonna enter. I feel like we might enter short as we see breakout structure to the downside. We see on the 5-minute. We saw that order, the equilibrium chart got broken out of. And then what else? We saw maybe order block, breaker block. Yeah, like it's looking very bearish, boys. Very fucking bearish. Alright, I'm gonna enter short, boys.
Order filled.
Yeah, we enter short. So boom, you guys can tell here. We went short. We're gonna be targeting. All right, we went short because it broke structure to the downside. I saw equilibrium get this, like, really respected. It broke this 1 hour key level. This key level finally got hit. The London session high finally got hit. Confluences all got hit from my analysis, and we saw a 1 minute confirmation on the 1 minute, broke structure right here on this low. Boom. Okay, boom. It's a nice little, all confluences got hit. We're gonna be targeting, we're going based off AI, maybe target 21.967, 58, 21.940. Bro, come on, serious. So we entered at 21.996. 21.996. We went short position. 21.996. Cool. Right here, 21.996. And we'll target 21.945. 21.945 will be. We're already up $40. $21.945. We'll be targeting $21.945. We're right here for $100 profit, boys. And our stop loss is gonna be at right above this high, which is at 22.030 at 30. 030. Right there, fuck it. Oh. Yeah, cool. Damn, boys. Okay, so we're in. You guys can see here that we have a take profit of at least $100 and a stop loss at $69, which makes sense. Yeah, makes total sense. So we're going based off this Asian session high, or from today, as our take profit, and we're going. Yeah, basically that's it. We'll take full profits there at 21.945. My bad. We went off this based off AI. It says if price breaks and closes below 21.980. Well, it hasn't closed below 21.980 actually, but it hit all confluences, which I'm not even gonna lie. And it said if breaks closes, watch deeper retracement into 21.967, 21.958, and possibly 21.940. Okay, cool. And over here at the beginning it said pullback zones would be 22 and then 21.996, 21.9 strong demand block. Alright, cool. Yeah, but initially this would be my take profit all the way down here. If I do, I mean, what else? Yeah, I went short, like I said. It's looking very bearish. Hit confluence, hit all the confluences. Over here, damn, we're break even now. We'll secure profits at 21,950 actually. Let's move it to 21,950. Right there. We'll be happy with that profit right there, $91 profit. Alright, so yeah, because I want to secure profits, boys. But yeah, like I said, and it would even be way better if it broke out of this equilibrium chart. Boom, we're for sure targeting all the way down here, or at least into this bullish fair value gap, and then it can maybe reverse, but it's looking very bearish. Or for right now, it's looking bearish. Look at this. But yeah, I like this. I like this that it tells us now like how much we're up. Gives us a little. It's easier, bro. Damn. But yeah, so we have to get into literally $3,000 in profit. Obviously, I'm trading the micro Nasdaq because it's $2 per point. If I was trading the other one, the mini Nasdaq, I'll be $20 per point, so I could basically fail my account real quick like that. So maybe we're just taking it low by low, but at least now we get to trade on a platform that gives us real-time data and gives us more or less like an overview of like how we're doing and stuff, you know. So it's good. I like it here. I like the position we took. Honestly, it's not bad. Hopefully we don't get stopped out, you know. We'll get stopped out up here at 22,030. Yeah, right here for a $69 loss. It's cool. We'll see what's up. Hopefully it doesn't pull back or retrace back to the upside. But most recent high, most recent high is right here actually. So we just gotta be careful with that. No way, bro. No. Or hopefully we just get like discounted pricing. It's because honestly, maybe I did rush the trade. Maybe did I rush it? Maybe no, because we saw breakup structure to the downside here, and then we saw, and it touched the key level as well. Obviously, it broke the fair value gap, the 1 hour fair value gap, which was a really bearish sign. And then we see. Order block, breaker block right there. You see, it's because I didn't even wait for continuation, bro. Maybe that's where I fucked up. But I mean, we're already in the trade. Fuck it with a bucket. It did came in and filled the order block in this blue candle. You see the blue candle wick right there. What else? We saw that breakup structure on the 1 minute, so I'm not really worried about that. That's what we got right now. Guys, look at this. We're about to hit right here. Come on.
Order filled.
Let's go, baby. Let's fucking go. Look, I'm not even lying, guys. Look at my balance. $50,090 now. Let's fucking go, way. Look at this shit. My analysis, bro, is going crazy. Obviously, I said I was gonna take profits here. We should have taken profit all the way down here. But hey, I don't give a fuck. Dub's a dub, baby. A dub's a fucking dub, baby. Day 11, way. Day 11. That's a dub, bro. Oh my god. Analysis was crazy right today. Wow. Look at price, bro. Oh my god. Bro, imagine all the way down here. Golly, that's crazy. Obviously, if I had another contract, I mean, I would have took profit here. I could have entered 2 contracts. Fuck. I fucked up. I should have entered 2 contracts. I forgot that we were risking less money, bro. Oh my god. Well, at least I know my trade idea was right. My trade idea was right all along. We would have taken profits here. Second contract would have taken profits all the way down here. Full profits. We should have made more money, boys. We should have made more money. Oh my god. Hey, but we're in the green though for the day. Day 11 with a $90 dub. $90 dub. But yeah, I'm trading. Like I said, I'm trading the micro because if I trade the mini, imagine if we lose, we're basically only allowed to lose $2,000. So I could literally lose back to back to back, like 3 days in a row, and I already failed the account. So we're just basically right now we're just trading the micro, like little by little we'll get better, and then boom, we'll get into the real deal and look to pass the account and then start making real money, boys. But boom, my analysis was correct, bro. I just fucked up because I should have taken 2 contracts instead of 1. I could have done 1 contract, take profit right here, and the other contract, take profit right here. Or maybe even target these lows all the way down here. That would be insane if it does come all the way down here. But I probably most likely would have took it right here because it disrespected this bullish fair value gap. Or it's disrespecting this bullish fair value gap. But yeah, that was a dub. That was a crazy dub. Analysis was right. $90 dub. Boom. I'm happy. Nice. Thank you guys for watching. That was day 11. We're getting better, honestly, so I can't even complain. A dub's a dub. Little by little we'll get better, and then we'll start getting into the real deal. But thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys leave a like, comment, subscribe if you guys liked, and peace.